work getting ready for awards, events, anything. So here it's shampoo with Maria. You gotta see her. You'll see just now what she's done to my hair. Let's see. Got no makeup on yet. We'll see a little bit later. I can't fool myself. And of course he's going to be doing my hair. There we go. Hi everyone. We're here at the South African Independent Music Awards. And I'm just going to check before we start what's happening behind the scenes. There's some of my favorite artists here. Look how beautiful the stage is looking. Lady, Jennifer Video, how are you doing? By yourself?
Hi, good night. Oh, that's too nice. I got it this morning.
Hello, look at these two. Oh, you're in your change room. Show us. Come on, let's go see what's going on there. Can you take us through? What's happening backstage? Tell us. Oh, there's food. There's definitely food here. There's definitely makeup. And some beautiful, stunning looking people. So this is Steve Ashley. And if you don't know him, he's the lead singer of the Staccatos. And what song was your favorite song to sing all time? Your favorite that you think suits you the best?
Oh, listen me cry to me.
Cry to me. I just don't want anybody to make me cry tonight. So I'm going to have fun seeing all these wonderful artists. Just, yes. And you too. I hope you won't cry tonight.
None of it. I'm not gonna cry. That's for sure.
And of course, you've got to know Mr. Brian Legacy, who is... No, he's not a musical note. He is the founder of the band, the Staccatos. Can you believe that? I'm so honored
Way
to
back
be
in
here.
1961.
61?
Yeah.
Don't even know
Around the
that.
time your father was born.
So nice to meet you guys.
Yes, Chris. Dankie vir die aandag en die geniet er al.
He's got the best outfit.
Me.
Dis Antonio's designer.
This is Colette from Dance. I've known Colette for very many years. And she's tirelessly busy constantly with new projects. You should go to her website, go to her YouTube site, subscribe.